In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Canva Autosave works. If you're looking for a way to turn Autosave on or off in Canva, it's important to know right from the beginning that Canva doesn't offer a manual autosave switch. Instead, Autosave is built into the platform and stays enabled by default. That means you don't need to activate it yourself, and you also can't disable it manually. To begin, open Canva and sign in to your account if needed. Once you're on the Canva home screen, go ahead and open the design you want to work on. This can be a presentation, social media graphic, document, video project, or any other file you've already created. After your design is open, Canva will automatically handle the saving process in the background. As you make changes, like editing text, moving elements, replacing images, or adjusting colors, the platform saves your work every few seconds. This happens without needing to click a save button, which makes the editing process much smoother and helps reduce the chance of losing progress. One important thing to understand is that autosave depends on having an active internet connection. Because Canva is primarily cloud-based, it needs to stay connected in order to keep saving your updates online. If your internet connection drops, Canva may not be able to save your most recent changes until the connection is restored. So if you're working on something important, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your connection, especially during longer editing sessions. In most cases, you'll notice Canva updating your changes automatically and continuously, so there's really nothing extra you need to do. The main takeaway is simple. Open Canva, open your design, and Canva saves your work automatically in the background. So if your goal was to find the autosave setting, now you know there isn't one to turn on or off. Autosave is always running by default, as long as you're connected to the internet. That built-in feature is designed to make creating and editing easier, faster, and more secure. And that's all there is to it. Once your design is open, Canva takes care of saving for you automatically every few seconds, helping you stay focused on your work instead of worrying about saving it manually.